Hello and welcome to the Studio One video training course. This is gonna be fun as we're gonna pull together the most useful, the most powerful workflows from this award-winning DAW and put it together so that you can quickly and easily start making music. This is not gonna be a dry reading of the manual, rather than a fun kind of hangout where I'll be able to train you and really get you in tune with the most powerful features and really get some bang for the buck out of Studio One. I gotta say, I really love the features of this DAW, particularly on the back end in terms of the mastering and distribution of your finished songs. I don't know of too many other DAWs that do that part of it so completely. But actually, before we go much further, let's look at the differences between the versions. Okay, I'm over on PreSonus's website here in Product Studio One Compare Versions. And you can see that this shows the difference between Prime, Artist, and Professional. I'll get to Sphere in just a moment. So obviously, the more expensive they go, the more the professional side you go on, you'll get more features. But you can see you can get a lot done with the Prime and then the Artist versions here. I'm not going to go through all of these. There's a ton of stuff here. But if I was just to start at the top, there's some notable things like, say, effects chains will not be in the Prime or Artist. They'll just be in the Professional one there, as well as the new Listen Bus. And what else? Projects only on the Professional side here, and scratch pads as well. If you get into the instruments, here are virtual instruments. Some of these will not be in the Prime, but only be in the Artist or higher up there. And if you're into guitar amps, Ampi is an amazing part of the Professional version here. You'll note that that isn't included in the first couple ones here. Now, if you want everything, then if you notice their subscription service here, PreSonus Sphere has everything dotted here. But everything that we're going to be doing in this course is going to be done with the Studio One Professional. If I'm demonstrating something that's not coming up on your Artist and Prime, that's why. So let's get started with an overview of Studio One.